we are going to discuss about Earth and its movements. Earth and its movements. Are you remember, children, about solar system? Are you remember? There are 8 planets in our solar system. What are those? Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets in our solar system. Today we are going to discuss about Earth. Among these 8 planets, today we are going to learn in a more detail about Earth. See children, among these 8 planets, Earth is one of the unique planet and living planet, watery planet, blue planet. Among these 8 planets, Earth is called as unique planet. Why Earth is called as unique planet, blue planet, watery planet, living planet and all? Let's discuss. Okay, why it is called as unique planet or living planet? Why? Because the Earth is home for all human beings and plants and animals. The Earth is home for all forms of life. All forms of life in the sense, the Earth is home for all forms of life, like plants, animals and human beings, because of its suitable distance from the sun, range of temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere, water cycle, etc. Okay children, and the Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun, and Earth is called as blue planet and unique planet, blue planet, unique planet, living planet, watery planet, okay, why? Because only among these 8 planets, Earth is only the planet having all forms of life, like human beings, plants and animals, etc. Okay, next we will discuss, and the Earth is the only planet that has an atmosphere. Just now I told life supporting gases. Earth is the only planet has life supporting gases, atmosphere, as well as it has water, and it containing about 21% of oxygen. That is suitable for all the human beings or all the forms of life. That is suitable for, or that atmosphere and temperature suitable for life supporting gases and all, suitable for all forms of life like plants, animals and all. And it is the only planet, it has a liquid water on its surface. For example, liquid water surface in the sense water bodies, and because of this reason, earth appears blue. Because of this reason, earth appears blue from the space. It is also the only planet in the solar system that has life in the form of plants, animals, insects, birds and humans. And our earth was formed million years ago. The earth was formed million years ago. The earth was from a cloud of dust and hot gases initially. Initially, the earth was formed from cloud, dust and hot gases. In the beginning, the earth was very hot. Gradually, the hot gases formed clouds and there were continuous rains. There were continuous rains that cooled the outer surface. Of the earth. And next, the surface of the earth became hard and cooling and water appeared on the earth. Water appeared on the earth. The gases formed the atmosphere and slowly the conditions became suitable for life to take form. Okay, next, the earth is made up of 3 layers. The earth is made up of 3 layers. What are those? What are the 3 layers of the earth? Let's discuss. Okay, the structure of the earth or the 3 layers of the earth: crust, mantle and core. The 3 layers of the earth is crust, mantle and core. Then the crust is outermost layer of the earth. The crust is outermost layer of the earth. Are you observing? The crust is outermost layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and granite and basalt. It is made up of rocks, granite and basalt. Okay, the outermost layer of the earth. The outermost layer of the earth is crust. It is outermost layer of the earth, and this crust has mainly granite and basalt. Granite and basalt. Okay, children? See here. This is the outermost layer of the earth called as crust. It has granite and basalt. Next, the second layer. Okay, the second layer or the layer below the crust. The layer below the crust, that is called mantle. See here. That is called mantle. This is the second layer or the crust or the below part of the crust is called mantle. Are you observing the mantle? It is hot and made up of thick layers. The mantle layer is very hot and it is made up of thick layers. Thick layers of rocks rich in minerals. Thick layers of, it is the second layer or it has thick layer and it has rich in minerals. Rich in minerals. Minerals like iron. This is the second layer of the earth. Below the crust is called second layer, that is nothing but a mantle, and it has a thick layer of rocks and it is very hot, children. The mantle is very hot and it has thick layer of rocks and rich in minerals such as iron and magnesium. Iron and magnesium. Next, children, the first layer is crust. The outermost layer of the earth is crust. That crust has granite and basalt. Second layer is, or below the crust is second layer, that is nothing but a mantle, and it has minerals like iron and magnesium. The innermost layer of the earth. The innermost layer of the earth. The innermost layer of the earth is called core. The innermost layer of the earth is called core. That is the third layer. The innermost layer of the earth is called core. This is molten state and it is known as core. And it is made up of dense minerals. Dense minerals. Innermost layer. Core is innermost layer of the earth. The third layer is, that is nothing but a innermost layer of the earth, that is called core, and this innermost layer has dense minerals and mainly iron and iron, lava and nickel. Iron, lava and nickel. Iron, lava and nickel. And the molten material. This molten material present in the core is known as lava or magma. The molten material present in the core is known as lava or magma. It gushes out with a great force from cone-shaped mountains, which are known as volcanoes. The hole from where the lava comes out is known as the crater. Okay? The innermost layer is called crust. First layer is crust. The outermost layer of the earth is called crust. It has mainly granite and basalt. And the second layer is mantle. It is very hot and made up of thick layer, and it has rich in minerals like iron and magnesium. The innermost layer of the earth is core. That is the third layer. That is nothing but a core, and it is the innermost layer of the earth, and it has dense minerals, iron, lava and nickel. And I want to show the picture of volcano. Okay, see here. This one is volcano. This one is the picture of volcano. The hole from where the lava comes out is known as the crater. It is there. It is there. The molten material present in the core. The molten material that present in the core is known as lava or magma, and it gushes out with a great force from cone-shaped mountains, which are known as volcanoes. Okay, children, thank you.